Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the FIRSTRUST Bank app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into it. Talking about the FIRSTRUST Bank app. FIRSTRUST Bank app gives customer access to a wide range of digital banking tools. User can view balance, check transaction history, pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit check using mobile capture. It also includes features like real-time alert, spending insight, budgeting tools, and the ability to manage debit card or connect to digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. The app is available both on iOS and Android with a clean interface that makes managing accounts straightforward. However, the app may not offer the advanced financial tracking and investment features found in larger national bank apps. A few users also note that updates occasionally lead to minor bug or slower performance, though these issues are generally addressed quickly by the bank. And in conclusion, the app worth using if you want a reliable everyday mobile banking with helpful financial tools, but not ideal if you're looking for advanced investment management or highly specialized features within the banking system of the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.